Hey guys, if you want to see how I created this Black Widow makeup, then stay tuned. So for most of this makeup I'm going to be using the Black Widow set from Glitz. But to start off with, I just painted my face with a white face paint, and then I painted around my eyes to create these skull sockets, and I shaded them with a black eyeshadow. And then with just a black liquid eyeliner, I started to draw on spider webs all over my face. Using a black eyeshadow, I shaded around the face to create more of a skull makeup, and then I added a black winged eyeliner to my eyes, and then I used this gem set from the Black Widow set, and I just put that around my eyes, and it's self-adhesive so it just sticks itself on. I added some false eyelashes off camera, and then I used this black liquid lipstick and I put that on. Using the white face paint again, I painted my chest area, and I painted this kind of jagged edge, and then I used a black face paint and I painted another spider web across my neck area. I used a black eyeshadow to shade around the design. I used these spider tattoo transfers all over my chest area, and this is much easier than painting spiders on. I then went into this dark red eyeshadow, and I just started to add little shadings all over the face and chest area just to add a bit of a different colour, and then that matches this amazing black and red glitter which is in the Black Widow set, and I just started to add that around the design as well. I painted on these kind of skull teeth lines coming up from the mouth, and this can be an easier way of creating a skull makeup instead of painting the actual teeth on, and it's a bit more glamorous as well. Using the Glitz glitter gel and silver holographic stars and iridescent fairy glitter, I also added that to the face and body area just to make it super sparkly. And this is the finished look of my spooky Black Widow makeup.